हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द कॉमर्स अचीवर प्लेटफॉर्म। आज के इस सेशन से हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं यूपीएससी सिविल सर्विसेज कॉमर्स एंड अकाउंटेंसी ऑप्शनल में इंडस्ट्रियल रिलेशनशिप के प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर्स को अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे। तो प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर क्यों रिलेवेंट है, कैसे ये आपको हेल्पफुल करेगा, एक ब्रीफ ओवरव्यू हम उस पर भी डिस्कस करेंगे। देखिए, सिलेबस को अंडरस्टैंड करने के बाद जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट एरिया जिस पे स्टूडेंट को ध्यान देना चाहिए, और 99% व्हाट वी फाइंड कि स्टूडेंट उस चीज़ पे फोकस नहीं करते हैं, जो करते हैं उनकी सक्सेस उनके साथ रहती है। तो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है कि आपने फोकस करना है प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर। अब बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट सजेस्टेड आंसर्स पे ही केवल फोकस रखते हैं। उनको लगता है कि ये बीकॉम का एग्जाम है तो आपने सजेस्टेड आंसर पढ़ लिए केवल और उससे हो जाएगा। तो इट्स अ यूपीएससी suggested answer also going to help you, but that's way how you write the answer. So आप टेस्ट पेपर्स भी सॉर्ट आउट कर ले रहे हैं, दैट इज सफिशिएंट। ओके, सो आपको प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर से एनालिसिस होगा कि क्या चीज़ कैसे कवर करनी है। अगर आपने सिलेबस को समझा है तो कौन से टॉपिक पे कितना फोकस करना है, कहाँ से कितने मार्क्स का आता है और किस तरीके के क्वेश्चन रेज्ड होते हैं। बिकॉज आईआर कई सारे एग्जाम्स का पार्ट है, कई सारे एग्जाम्स में आईआर एज अ सब्जेक्ट है और कई बार सिलेबस भी सेम है बट क्वेश्चन आस्क करने का तरीका, क्वेश्चन पूछने का तरीका एग्जामिनर का टोटली डिफरेंट हो जाता है। तो उसे समझना बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। इसलिए आज के सेशन में हम आईआर के जो है एनालिसिस करेंगे। हमने सारे सब्जेक्ट्स को कवर अप किया है विद टाइम टू टाइम, और कई बार कुछ सब्जेक्ट्स के एनालिसिस में हमें चेंजेस लानी पड़ती है विद द चेंज ऑफ रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ यूपीएससी। तो हम उन सेशन को रिवाइज भी करते हैं। तो आप ऐसे ही हमारे साथ जुड़े रहें ताकि आप इसका मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट उठा सके। बिकॉज ऑप्शनल आपको टॉप रैंक तो देगा, बट सबसे बेस्ट क्या है कि जब आप ऑप्शनल को स्ट्रैटेजिकली प्लान करें और ऑप्शनल में टाइम सेविंग करें, क्योंकि आपका स्ट्रेंथ है तभी आपने इस ऑप्शनल को चूज किया है। 0.1% है या 10% स्ट्रेंथ है, कुछ तो है 100 में से, तभी आपने इस ऑप्शनल को ऑप्ट किया है। तो इसको आपका स्ट्रेंथ ही बने रहने दीजिए, आपकी वीकनेस नहीं बनना। वीकनेस कैसे बनने लगती है कि जब स्टूडेंट 99% अपना टाइम कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट करने लगता है ऑप्शन को। तो आपको बहुत ही लिमिटेड टाइम देना है, स्ट्रैटेजिकली देना है, स्ट्रैटेजिकली प्रिपेयर करना है ताकि आप टाइम को सेव करो। ऑप्शनल आपने चॉइस को क्यों चूज करना पड़ता है, ताकि आप उसमें कुछ हद तक ऑलरेडी एक्सपर्टीज हो, है ना। तो आपने जो टाइम सेव करा, ठीक है, उसको आपने डेलीगेट करना है प्रीलिम्स में या आपके जीएस प्रिपरेशन पे। तो ऑप्शनल आपकी स्ट्रेंथ होनी चाहिए हमेशा से। तो इसीलिए और इसको आपकी स्ट्रेंथ बनाने के लिए मैं आपके साथ कई बार कुछ ऐसी क्वेरीज स्टूडेंट हमारे साथ डिस्कस करते हैं जो हमें लगता है कि आपके हेल्पफुल के लिए हो सकता है वो आपको एग्जाम हॉल में दिक्कत करे। तो बेटर है हम उसे अभी क्यों ना सॉल्व कर ले। तो आपसे ये रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी शेयर कीजिए करिए, और ताकि उनकी क्वेरीज भी हमें मिले, आपकी क्वेरीज भी हमें मिले, और हर क्वेरीज को हम सॉर्ट आउट करें ताकि वो एग्जाम हॉल में जब आप बैठो तो आप जीत हासिल करके आओ। क्योंकि मेंस में ही मार्क्स रिलेवेंट है। अच्छा परफॉर्म कर लिया मेंस में, एग्जामिनर चेक करता है आप जो एग्जीक्यूट करते हो, जो लिख के आते हो। तो अगर अच्छा स्कोर कर लिया आपने तो आपको इंटरव्यू में ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती, और क्वालिफाई करना ये जो ड्रीम जॉब है बहुत ही आसान हो जाएगा। तो स्ट्रैटेजिकली चलना है। ऐसे तो लाखों बच्चे बैठते हैं बट वो जो है रोड मैप से जो है इधर उधर हो जाते हैं। तो रोड मैप पे टिके रहना है, इसलिए ये सेशन बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है आपके लिए। ठीक है, तो इसका बेनिफिट लें, और कोई भी क्वेरी एट एंड में आपके पास रह जाती है तो आप प्लीज़ उसको शेयर करेंगे। सो टू द स्टूडेंट who won't able to understand the Hindi as a language, for them this session will be going to be a very important, because without understanding the pattern of paper, as IR is a part of subject in various exam, so it is very important how UPSC is asking the questions related to an IR. And it is very important for you to understand how questions are coming instead of focusing on suggested answer, as many people are focusing on suggested answer. According to me, they are going on the wrong direction, and if they don't understand now they will regret forever, that's for sure. So it's very important for you to understand the previous year paper, that if that is a topic in our subject or that is a topic of our syllabus, so how the question are asked and how the question is asked by the UPSC especially. So how you have to prepare, how much you need to focus on previous year paper analysis, how much you need to focus on news coverage, how much you need to focus on your static portion, everything you can plan with the help of this previous year paper analysis. So if you want to be prosper, if you want to go in the right direction, this is the best way to roadmap. And we are here to help you to make the optional subject as strength for you because you have a little bit command on optional. The balance we will filled up with all the queries raised by the student with expertise knowledge also. What I request to take maximum benefit, plan strategically your optional, save the time here, and delegate to the GS paper and your prelims, which is more like dynamic and complicated. So let's begin with the analysis for the industrial relation year 2011-2011. Okay, so देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 8A. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन इज ऑफ 30 मार्क्स. व्हाट द क्वेश्चन इज, इंडस्ट्रियल रिलेशन इज इंडिया इज डायनेमिक and evolving concept. Explain it and suggest the measures. Explain it and suggest the measure for improving industrial relation in public enterprise in India. So we can say this question is dynamic. कैसे कह सकते हैं, न्यूज का थोड़ा सा पोर्शन इसमें इन्वॉल्व है. ठीक है, देखते हैं. पहले तो आप नोटिस करिए कि ये कंपलसरी क्वेश्चन नहीं है, ये ऑप्शनल पे है. आपको पता होता है कि क्वेश्चन कैसे आ रहे हैं. नहीं पता है तो हमारे सेशंस कवर्ड हैं ऑलरेडी, और अगर कोई डाउट रहता है तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में. तो ये हमारा कंपलसरी क्वेश्चन नहीं है, ये ऑप्शनल है. तो चाहे आता हो तो करें, नहीं आता हो तो आप स्किप कर सकते थे 2011 में. सो इंडस्ट्रियल रिलेशन इन इंडिया इज डायनेमिक एंड इवॉल्विंग कॉन्सेप्ट. एक्सप्लेन इट. तो ये एक स्टेटमेंट का एक्सप्लेनेशन मांगा गया है आपसे. ठीक है, जहां पे हम देख सकते हैं आपकी क्रिएटिविटी डिपेंड करती है आंसर राइटिंग की. ठीक है, उसके बाद आपके पास करंट अफेयर्स का बंच हो, कुछ ब्रीफ नॉलेज हो, तो आप इस लाइन को एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. एंड सजेस्ट, फिर उसके बाद सजेशन मांगा है मेजर्स फॉर इम्प्रूविंग द रिलेशन इन पब्लिक एंटरप्राइज इन इंडिया. एंड ये भी पोर्शन आपका न्यूज का है, क्योंकि करंट में अगर आप पब्लिक एंटरप्राइजेस से रिलेटेड न्यूज पढ़ रहे हो तो यू कैन इजिली वर्क ऑन दिस. एंड फॉर दैट न्यूज से अगर आप ब्रीफ आउटलाइन, उनकी हेडलाइन से भी आउटलाइन है, तो यू कैन इजिली फ्रेम दिस पार्ट ऑफ आंसर. सो कंक्लूड करेंगे 8A में. इट्स ऑप्शनल, आता है तो अटेम्प्ट करेंगे, नहीं आता है तो आप आराम से उसको स्किप कर सकते हैं. दूसरा, इसमें थोड़ा सा आपका स्टैटिक नॉलेज प्लस न्यूज एंड करंट रिलेटेड टॉपिक आपका इन्वॉल्व है. और यस, आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन दिस पार्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन. क्लियर? स्विचिंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 8B. 30 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है. हाउ फार हैज इंडस्ट्रियल लेबर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन्फ्लुएंस्ड द इंडियन लेबर सिचुएशन. सजेस्ट सुटेबल मेजर्स इन दिस रिगार्ड. ठीक है, सो हमने देखा पहले में भी क्वेश्चन जो है वो 2 पार्ट्स में है. ठीक है, इसमें भी हमने क्वेश्चन देखा, ये क्वेश्चन हमारा 2 पार्ट्स में है. ठीक है, ILO का टॉपिक है आपका, इंडस्ट्रियल लेबर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का टॉपिक है ये. ठीक है, और पूछे कि कितना उसने इन्फ्लुएंस किया है इंडियन लेबर सिचुएशन पे, तो ये भी न्यूज से रिलेटेड आपका यहाँ पे इन्वॉल्व है. प्लस स्टैटिक पोर्शन कि आपने ILO ने क्या क्या लाया है अभी तक चेंजेस, वो भी आपको जानेंगे, तभी आप को लिंक करके इसको लिख सकेंगे. ठीक है, और सुटेबल मेजर्स पूछा है, सजेशंस आपसे मांगा गया है. सो न्यूज है, स्टैटिक पोर्शन हुआ आपका इसमें, प्लस आर्ट और प्रैक्टिस चाहिए आपको आंसर राइटिंग. ठीक है, और मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट ये ऑप्शनल है, कंपलसरी क्वेश्चन नहीं है. आता है तो अटेम्प्ट करेंगे, नहीं आता है तो आप इसको आराम से छोड़ के जा सकते हैं. सो 2011 में आपके जो 2 क्वेश्चन रेस हुए 8A एंड 8B, दैट्स आर ऑप्शनल, related to a brief knowledge about static plus news, and it's required, definitely it requires your art of answer writing practice, and it's a optional part. If you know the answers, if you are confident enough to write the answer, go ahead. If you don't know, you can easily skip it out. So this is IR for 2011. Moving ahead, 2012. Okay, देखते हैं 2012 में कैसा क्वेश्चन है. 1C, write a short note on bitrate and tripartite approach to the labor relation. So it's a compulsory क्वेश्चन में है. आपको आता हो नहीं आता हो आपको अटेम्प्ट करना पड़ेगा. So it's must, and it's only the static portion. You don't need to for this for a news update. So write a short note on bitrate and tripartite approach to the labor relations. That is जो है static portion of industrial relation. It's a compulsory question that you have to attempt it. 12 marks का question है. Okay, next 1E. Again, it's a compulsory. Okay, and write a short note on provision in Industrial Dispute Act 1947 related to the workmen during closure of industrial establishments. So we can say it is also a static portion, that if you have covered the Industrial Dispute Act 1947, you can easily attempt this question. So it's a compulsory, it's a static portion carrying weightage of 12 marks. ठीक है, next 8B. अगेन 8B इट्स ऑप्शनल, आता है तो अटेम्प्ट करेंगे, नहीं आता है तो यू कैन इजली skip it. So let's see the question. Collective bargaining in the Indian banking industry are finalized at the national level by the representative of the trade union. In spite of multiple union across different banks and the association of management, in the context of enhanced competition, should individual banks be allowed independence in collective bargaining? Justify your opinion. So you should have a brief idea about the topic of collective bargaining. अगर आपने सिलेबस का सेशन नहीं देखा है तो आपने देख लेना है कि कलेक्टिव बार्गेनिंग आपके सिलेबस का एक सेपरेट पार्ट है, ठीक है. तो इट्स ऑप्शनल, इट्स रिक्वायर्ड योर आर्ट ऑफ राइटिंग, यस इट्स रिक्वायर्ड योर क्रिएटिविटी है, ठीक है. एंड अ ब्रीफ, it's your static portion and plus your creativity of writing. So even if you are updated with the news well enough, it fetch your good marks. If you are not, you cannot regret in this case if you have a good writing skill. So conclude करें अगर हम 2012 को, तो 2 क्वेश्चन आपके स्टैटिक पोर्शन कंपलसरी है. जो आपके स्टैटिक पोर्शन का पार्ट है, पढ़ा है तो अटेम्प्ट कर पाएंगे, नहीं पढ़ा है तो अटेम्प्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे. कोई क्रिएटिविटी वगैरह नहीं चाहिए, स्ट्रेट अवे आंसर्स चाहिए, टॉपिक्स को कवरेज किया होगा तो आप इजिली अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हो. नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन नंबर 8B जो कि ऑप्शनल था, ठीक है, और इसमें आपकी क्रिएटिविटी डिमांड होती है विद द स्टैटिक नॉलेज. तो कंक्लूड करें अगर 2012 में, तो थोड़ा सा लिटिल बिट चैलेंजिंग है कि आपको आईआर के स्टैटिक पोर्शन को एटलीस्ट कवर करके जाना है कंपलसरी अटेम्प्ट करने के लिए. ऑप्शनल वाले को आप अगर आता होगा तो अच्छे से कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज यू हैव एन ऑप्शन टू स्किप इट. ओके, जस्ट मूव अहेड विद 2013. Question number 1C, compulsory question. Okay, let's see the question. Write a short note on general provision on strikes and lockouts under the Industrial Dispute Act of 1947. So it's a compulsory and it's a static portion. आता है तो you can easily attempt. If you don't know, you cannot write in this. So short note on general provision on strike and lockout under the act. So what we can conclude is it's very important to command over the act. It's very, very important to command over the Act of Industrial Dispute Act 1947. Okay. Next, 6C. It's an optional. If you know, you can attempt. If you don't know, you can easily skip it out. Workers' participation in management scheme in India is almost a failure because it is neither based on sound foundation nor workable in the practice. Examine the factors responsible for creating this environment and suggest rationally measures to make it more effective. So it's an optional. It's also, it required some static and some news related info. Okay, तो 2 पार्ट है क्वेश्चन में. 10 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन, उसमें भी 2 पार्ट बना दिए, यानी 5-5 मार्क्स का वेटेज है. पहला आपसे पूछे एग्जामिन द फैक्टर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर क्रिएटिंग दिस एनवायरमेंट, और दूसरा पूछ लिया आपसे सजेस्ट करना आपको रैशनल एनालिसिस. तो आप प्रीवियस ईयर एनालिसिस कर रहे हो तो आप देख रहे हो कि आपको क्वेश्चन रीडिंग का भी आइडिया लगता जाएगा. तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई रिक्वेस्ट यू, पीपल आर not taking these things seriously, you will regret it later, but I don't want to do that. Please take this benefit and watch in between your progress. जब भी आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, 1-2 चैप्टर कर लिया, 2-3 चैप्टर के लिए फिर से ट्रैक करो कि सही दिशा में जा रहे हो कि नहीं जा रहे हो. ओके, नेक्स्ट 8B. okay, it's again the optional one. Okay, it's again the optional one. What type of provisions relating to the social security for workers are provided in the Constitution and labor laws in India? How can such social security benefit to improve through collective bargaining? So it's also 20 marks का क्वेश्चन है, और एक तरीके से इस क्वेश्चन को 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया गया है. पहला पोर्शन में आपसे प्रोविजंस पूछ लिए स्ट्रेट अवे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, यानी अगर आप पॉलिटी में अच्छे से पढ़ा है तो आप आराम से इसमें भर के लिख सकते हो. नेक्स्ट इज लेबर लॉ इन इंडिया. तो आपने इंडस्ट्रियल डिस्प्यूट एक्ट वगैरह से रिलेटेड जो है वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन, ये सारे कई सारे लॉज जो है यहाँ पे डिस्कस कर सकते हो. ठीक है, एंड हाउ कैन सच सिक्योरिटी बेनिफिट बी इम्प्रूव थ्रू कलेक्टिव बार्गेनिंग. तो कलेक्टिव बार्गेनिंग का कॉन्सेप्ट यहाँ पे लेकर आए. बेसिक नॉलेज होगी कलेक्टिव बार्गेनिंग में तो को रिलेट कर सकते हो. सो इट्स ऑप्शनल प्लस स्टैटिक एंड योर क्रिएटिविटी. ठीक है, सो इफ यू वांट टू कंक्लूड, नो स्टिल वन क्वेश्चन इज मोर फ्रॉम इंडस्ट्रियल रिलेशंस 8C. इट्स ऑप्शनल, वी कैन सी. आता है तो अटेम्प्ट करेंगे, नहीं तो स्किप कर सकते हैं. The main objective of mentoring is to help an employee attain psychological maturity and effectiveness, and get integrated with the organization. Elucidate and discuss the essentials of successful mentoring. तो एक अलग सा टॉपिक आ गया mentoring के ऊपर. So might be at that time it was in news. ठीक है, तो mentoring पे ये टॉपिक आया है आपका. So we can say it's completely related to your news and current related, and plus your creativity of practice. Okay, so if you want to conclude this, so question number 1C only is a compulsory. It's compulsory that you should attempt it, and rest question number 6C, 8B and 8C are optional. If you know, you can easily attempt it. If you don't know, you can have an option to attempt some other questions. ठीक है, so best part क्या है, IR का combination है HRM. So HRM को अगर आपने बहुत अच्छे से cover कर लिया तो you can go through it very well. But मैं skip करने के लिए इसलिए suggest नहीं करूँगी IR. It's because कि if you are getting in a very dilemmatic situation, तो at least you shouldn't be zero, है ना. तो कई बार ऐसे compulsory question आ जाते हैं तो you can easily attempt it. Clear? Next, 2014. 6B, again it's an optional one. Okay. Indian trade union movement is plagued by intrusion, rivalry, outside leadership, political patronage, and has failed to serve the purpose of its own formation. Elucidate and develop a suggestive framework to improve the functioning of trade union in India. So this topic is totally related to the trade union. And here you have to mention the, like, you should know the creativity of writing for the first part of the question. Okay, for the first part of the question, and suggestive measure you should means like your creativity of writing also, and you must have a brief knowledge about the trade union. So optional है question number 6B. If you're able to write something, just go with it. If you don't know, you have a great option to switch this question and switch to the other question. Next is 6C. Again is the optional. So we can say there is no much role of news here, if you can see. Okay, if you know, you can write, but it's not totally dependent on the news. The topic totally not dependent on the news. Okay, 6C, optional. Examine the influence of ILO on labor policy, labor legislation, and trade union movements in India. So we can say it's optional. News plus very important static portion which is related to the ILO. So we can conclude that ILO is important and your Industrial Dispute Act is important so far now. Okay, if you have a good command on these and the brief topic ID, you can easily write your answers. Okay, next 7A, again the optional one. This investment program has adversely affected the IR climate in public enterprise. Assess the implication of this statement in this context. Make out a visible plan to prepare the interest of protect the interest of the employees. So it's involve your news updated. If you are a brief knowledge, if you are not even a brief knowledge, this news of economics, your GS paper 3 is sufficient here. Okay, and creativity, answer writing is very important in this case. So practice as much as possible. So it's an option. If you know, you can, if you are confident enough to frame how to write these answers, how to frame the answers as per the demand of question, we'll practice later. Okay, and separately we will practice, because here I am assuring you for optional, in the case of commerce optional as for now, I give you the 100% support. It's on you how you are taking benefit out of it. It's totally on you. And otherwise, you people now can't say that commerce optional have no facilities and all, and you cannot go through it. We do not have a right strategy. We do not have a right support. No, I'm going to give you even more than 100% support. It's on you to take it benefit from it. Okay, it's totally on you. Okay, so 7A is optional related to the news and your creativity of answer writing practice. Next, 7C, a lot of question we have seen this year, 2014. 7C, again the optional. So that's why I ask you, never skip. You cannot predict the UPSC. So you must have a brief knowledge about the topics. Okay? 7C, optional. There are two approaches of managing industrial dispute in the organization, namely preventive and curative. Discuss the approaches. So you must have a basic idea. So you can easily write this under. That's involve your creativity. Nothing to do with the news updates. Okay, and it's optional. Question number 8B, 20 marks. Workers Workers have not been empowered to participate in worker participation management programs, though it is a popular instrument of industrial democracy. In the light of the statement, analyze the factor responsible for it and offer suggestions to make the workers' participation more viable and effective. So, worker participation from management, static portion here, and its relativity to a creativity of your answer writing, and it's optional. Okay? If you're able to write and creativity on the work, you can just attempt it. Otherwise, you have option to skip. 2014. It's a time when the scenario has been changed from 2015. So before going ahead in 2015, let's draw quickly what we have learned from 2011 to 2014. Okay, because in 2015 you will see the things has been changed. We will outline the topics. Okay, let's switch to the 2011 quickly. Okay, so in 2011 we see only two questions, both are optional. Okay, and that's are related to, let's see, industrial relation in India dynamic. It's a ILO topic and a basic IR. Okay, so it's a ILO topic and your basic IR knowledge. Okay, and two optional questions. So you can easily skip. If you know, you can attempt it. It's your level of hard work you did before sitting to the examination. Then we have three questions in 2012. Two are compulsory, one is optional. Okay, and you can see all three are depend on your creativity and a static portion, nothing related with the news. Okay, topic is your approach to IR in ID Act and your collective agreement. Industrial Dispute Act plus collective agreements. Okay, so three questions we can see from static plus your creativity. Okay, out of these three, two are compulsory. Now switch to the 2013. Let's see. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 questions. Okay. Again, ID Act we can see. Okay. Worker participation, collective bargaining, and mentoring was a news topic. So ID Act plus worker participation in management plus collective bargaining. Have you seen any question has been repeated? I don't see. So why people are so worrying to go with the previous year solutions? Look, every subject, and even after reading every subject, every chapter has their own strategy to prepare. If you follow the one strategy for all, you are not going to fetch a good. That's not a smart planning. Smart planning is every subject have a separate strategy, and under that subject, every chapter must have a separate strategy. Okay. So this is all, and no question is repeated. It's involve your news plus static plus your creativity. Clear? Last 2014, we have so many questions: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 questions, and your all questions are from the part of optional, and here also all the optional. Okay. So topic we can conclude is trade union movement, ILO. Okay, disinvestment was a new topic in news in 2014. So trade union plus ILO again plus news topic. Okay, and you can see again industrial dispute. You have see it's an important part of your syllabus. Industrial dispute आपके syllabus में specifically given है. ये सारे जो topic हैं syllabus में specifically आपके given हैं. And last is a worker participation from management. And I'd never seen till now from 2011 to 2014 that any question has been repeated. So why people are only just trying to memorizing their past papers, I don't understand. So you have to analyze your own. You are going to be a bureaucrat. You are going to run the country, and it's your time. Begin from now only. That be a good decision maker. Start from now. Okay. Next 2015. So you will find the new scenario. 2015 has a paper pattern has been changed. 5C, 5D and 5E all are compulsory. ठीक है. Write a short note on conciliation and mediation in industrial dispute. स्टैटिक पोर्शन है प्लस आपके सिलेबस में मेंशन है, बिल्कुल डायरेक्टली आप डिस्प्यूट रेजोल्यूशन का टॉपिक है, यू कैन डू इट. नेक्स्ट, राइट अ शॉर्ट नोट ऑन पेन डाउन स्ट्राइक versus tool down strike. So this is a part was news during that duration in 20 to pen down strike and tool down strike. ठीक है, डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन है and compulsory है, you have to be write it. Right, and banning lockout. It's a static portion on the lockout. Again, was lockout is always in a strike and lockout is always in the news, always. Okay. 7B is the optional. IT companies India seek special concession in Factories Act of 1948 for their establishments. What are the concessions? Do you agree with that these should be granted? Give argument in support of your answer. So it's a two-part question for 20 marks, 10 marks each. It's your like related to the Factories Act 1948 if you have knowledge, a brief about it, which you must cover for GS3 also, nothing to carry extra pain for IR. Okay, news plus creativity. Okay, it's an option. If you know, if you are confident enough, go with it. If no, you can easily skip it out. 7C, optional. Okay, constitutional provision in the favor of worker participation in management. So it's your GS paper 2 quality. You can easily include in this, but implementation require effective strategy. Discuss your creativity of writing. So you can see maximum portion you already covered in GS3 or GS2, which you can write in the IR. Next, collective bargaining. It's an optional. Collective bargaining require mutual trust among key stakeholders within an industry. Comment. What consideration are to be taken into account in managing the collective bargaining agreements? Okay, so involve your creativity. Collective bargaining must have a static knowledge. Last, 8C, changing Indian labor legislation in last unfinished agenda since 1991. SS, it's rationally. Okay, so different laws. It's talking about the brief intro about the different laws so far regarding to the industry, like Indian labor's legislation. So it's involved news. Yes, you should include some news points to fetch a good marks. And the question is optional. If you know and if you are confident enough, go and attempt it. If you don't, you have option to skip it out. So this was 2015. A lot of question has been asked in 2015. I think whole paper seems like a from IR. Okay. Next, we are switching to the 2016. Explain Dunlop's approach of IR. That was in compulsory question 5D, and then it was in news. Okay, Dunlop's approach of industrial relation. 5E, again the compulsory, you must have to attempt it, or industrial jurisprudence. So it's a static and you must have the knowledge about this topic. Only then you can attempt. 8A is the optional. Why do employees join trade union? So again, trade union topic. Discuss a strategy which an organization can adopt for dealing with the trade union with the possibility of making the company union free. And it's involved with creativity of writing. Clear? Next. 8B, again the optional one. The objective of arbitration is not compromise, but adjudication, though the parties are at liberty to compromise. A wise arbitrator will certainly promote such agreement, but as a rule, there is no place of compromise in the awards. In the light of this statement, compare the advantage and disadvantage. देखो कितना सारा स्टोरी दे दिया और डरा दिया स्टेटमेंट पढ़ती कि पता नहीं कैसा क्वेश्चन दे दिया. So it's better to go with the end of the topics or questions asked in a examination and just relax and read. So what their starting question ही पूछा है आपसे, एडवांटेज और डिसएडवांटेज का कंपेयर करना ऑफ सेटलमेंट अप्रोच इन आर्बिट्रेशन. ठीक है, एंड ऑल्सो शो द स्टेज ऑफ नेगोशिएशन पार्टीज में ऑप्ट फॉर arbitration. ठीक है, so it's a static and optional. 8C, Again, the optional question. Union demands and collective bargaining. So we can say trade union plus CB topic. Settlement in a private industry and public industry sector differ significantly. List down the differences and suggest suitable remedies. Okay? So it's your creativity also. You can see no question is repeated and every topic of the IR syllabus is important. If you are updated with the current news of GS paper 3, you can or GS paper 2, you can easily include those part in your answer writing for the IR. Okay, once again, please.
Okay. Next, 2017. Explain strike and lockout. It's a compulsory question. And your static portion straight away. Okay. 5E, again the compulsory question. And everything you can see, it's a part of your syllabus. Explain ILO. So you must have a knowledge about the Industrial Labour Organization. Next, 7A, it's an optional one. Indian trade union movement have failed to serve the purpose of its own formation. In the light of this statement, develop a suggestive framework to improve the functioning of trade union in India. The trade union, it's involved your creativity of answer writing. And it's a static, nothing with the news as such. 7B, it's a optional. What are the essentials of satisfactory wage system? Briefly explain the various measures of wage payment and discuss the merit and demerits of each. So we can see it's a part of HRM plus IR combined. Sometimes you are not able to bifurcate between them, to try to include, and it's very important to because it's a wage system. We can see it's a compensation system which is mainly the part of HRM. Okay. 7C, mutual trust in an organization is a main key to collective bargaining. Comments. So optional. Static portion, collective bargaining and your creativity. So we can conclude that creativity is very important. Very important is your to understand the topic and then do as much as practice as possible. Next, 8A, which is optional. One of the instrument of industrial democracy is the worker participation in management. Comment on this statement and offer suggestions to make worker participation more relevant and effective. So it's also involved your creativity. So if you want to conclude till now, you should cover each and every part of the syllabus as a basic understanding. Memorize the facts of ILO, Industrial Labour Organization, Industrial Dispute Act and other laws related to IR, and just do as much as answer writing practice. Okay. 2018. Explain standing orders. It's a static plus compulsory question. 5E. Explain dissolution of trade union. So compulsory question and the static portion. Okay. 7B. Collective bargaining is important to both the employers and employees, but there are certain snags. Do you agree with this statement? Suggest measure to make process effective. So it's a optional one. Only static knowledge is sufficient and involve your creativity of writing. Clear? 8A, optional question. Question is of 20 marks. In India, worker participation in management is a farce and an ineffective mechanism, but it can be reinforced and with suitable legal initiative. Comment and offer the suggestions to make the legal framework more effective and viable. It's a sometimes these type of question also part of your interview when they ask your key, what do you think, what a legal measures should government adopt? Because I told you, do not think when you select then only you become a bureaucrat. Think from now with immediate effect. Only then your answer writing will be like balanced and it's really going to satisfy the examiner. Okay. Even while you are practicing at your home, while you're practicing from our sessions also, do write answers while taking yourself as a bureaucrat. Do not think कि कल बनेंगे तब देखा जाएगा. Don't take that kind of mindset. So it's a optional, involve a lot of creativity of your answer writing practice, and if you have a static portion or knowledge, you can easily write this answer. 8B, again the optional. Discuss the objective and function of ILO. So we can say static. Critically examine the pattern of structure and contribution in the field of industrial market, Indian labor market. So it's totally a static portion and involve your creativity of answer writing, industrial labor organization, and it's an optional one, 8B. Okay, so with this we wind up the our 2018. Now switching to the 2019. Trade union rivalry, compulsory question, okay, and static. Okay, next we already created a lot of dictionary support on the website, and we'll try to include a lot. Currently we have completed HRM, and we are in process of OTOB, and I will then will be the IR. So till then we request you, whatever is being provided, take maximum benefit. Again I am going to tell you, and we are going to provide 100% support. Okay, it's on you to take benefit or not, or how to take benefit or not. Okay, 6B, okay, again it's an optional one. The fundamental aim of industrial relation is to maintain sound relation between employees and employers. Elucidate, and what are the various approaches to industrial relations. So it involves your creativity of writing. Okay, and if you are updated with the news, you can write a good answer. Okay, 6C, again the optional. The compliance with the statutory labor welfare provisions in India is half-hearted and inadequate. Do you agree with this statement? Comment. So if you are again updated with the laws, at least with ILO and Industrial Dispute Act, that is wholesale sufficient, and some more laws. So you can write, and these laws are part of your GS paper 2 and 3 also. So there is no separate requirement, and you need to practice. This involves your creativity. Examiner will going to check your creativity, whether you are creative enough to sort out the situation. To always, again I am reminding you, think yourself as a bureaucrat and write accordingly. ऐसा नहीं कि बस लिखना है, मैम ने बोला था आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस करो, तो बस कॉपी खोली लिखते चले गए, राइटिंग समझ में नहीं आ रही, कुछ नहीं, एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग इन एनी डायरेक्शन. Don't do that. Don't write better. And if you are writing, write with complete 100% loyalty. You can cheat everybody around you. You can cheat me, you can cheat your family members, but you cannot cheat yourself. But if you trying to cheat yourself, you have to pay very hard for that. Don't do that. I request you, please don't do that. आप दुनिया में सारे लोगों को झूठा चीट कर सकते हैं, धोखा दे सकते हैं कि हम पढ़ रहे हैं, हम प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, हमें धोखा दे सकते हैं, हम कर रहे हैं. मैम ने बोला आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस करो, तो चलो करते हैं, लेकिन आप खुद को चीट नहीं कर सकते. और कुछ लोग कोशिश करते भी हैं खुद को चीट करने के लिए, तो उससे उन्हीं का नुकसान है. तो अपना नुकसान नहीं करें. आपने अगर जिस घड़ी ये डिसाइड कर लिया कि आपको ऑफिसर बनना है, तो उस समय पूरी कायनात एक कर लेना जब तक उसे पा ना लो. मैं ये बार बार आपको बोलती हूँ, बीच का जो ये सफर होता है ना, मन को बनाने का और मुकाम को पाने का, ये बहुत ही कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सफर है. इस सफर में जो दृढ़ निश्चयी पड़े रहते हैं, जिनको हर सुबह और शाम केवल अपने आप को एज अ ऑफिसर देखना है, वही मुकाम को पाते हैं. और जो एक दिन भी डगमगाए तो वो लय से हट जाता है. अब आपकी चॉइस है, इसलिए बोलती हूँ, अगर डगमगाओ, कोई भी दिक्कत हो, यू जस्ट कॉन्टेक्ट अस, कॉन्टेक्ट टीम, बट बिना पाए रुकना नहीं. इतना याद रखना, और धोखा मत देना, ना खुद को ना अपने अगल बगल वालों को. ठीक है. 7A, again the optional. Okay, the trade union movement in India has not developed on a healthy lines. Examine. So if you know about the laws, if you have brief read about the news, you can easily write it. Okay, trade union optional, and it's on trade union movement. Need your news plus creativity. Clear? Always think what examiner is expecting from you from that question, and write as a bureaucrat. Okay, this will going to be help you. 8B, again the optional one. What are the recommendation of ILO? So it's a static portion of ILO for minimizing the labor problem related to international workforce. To what extent have these recommendations been fulfilled in Indian context? So it was in news when ILO has bring some working hours changes into the and some other regulations. So that's why this was the question in 2019. Okay, so it's a static and you need to be news updated. So big news and other news, we are providing the news updates. So it's very important for IR, at least you should be news updated. And the last question of HC is optional. What are the causes of industrial dispute? So ID, industrial dispute and static portion I can see. Explain the step taken for preventing and settling the industrial dispute in India. So it's involved your creativity of writing also. So we can conclude 2019 and we can conclude the journey from 2015 to 2019 that you cannot predict the UPSC. The first and foremost thing, every topic of syllabus of IR is important. At least you should have a basic knowledge about the terms, at least. So focus on terms, you should have a knowledge, and mainly about your Industrial Dispute Act, it's the most important, and constitution. In case of polity, you are already covering. Try to focus on that area which is involving your labor, okay, so that you can apply in your that paper also and in IR also. It's a win-win situation. And news, ठीक है, हमने सारे पेपर को डिस्कस किया और ऑप्शनल पेपर 2 में भी कंप्लीटेड ईच एंड एवरी एरिया. ओके, तो ऑप्शनल पेपर 2 को अगर हम कंक्लूड करें तो न्यूज का मेन पार्ट IR में है. बाकी सारे एरिया में आप आंसर राइटिंग में डालोगे तो आपको अच्छा मिलेगा, नहीं डालोगे तो चल सकता है, बट IR में यू कैन नॉट सर्वाइव विदाउट अपडेटिंग योरसेल्फ विद द न्यूज. एंड HRM में भी कई बार ऐसे स्विचेस क्वेश्चन, बट स्टिल आई कैन थिंक यू कैन राइट अकॉर्डिंगली. सो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स पे कमांड करनी है, ठीक है. और IR में हम अगर ड्रॉ करें तो टर्म्स पे कमांड रखेंगे, लॉज और एक्ट्स पे, मेनली इंडस्ट्रियल डिस्प्यूट एक्ट एंड अदर एक्ट्स पे फोकस करेंगे, और न्यूज को कमांड रखेंगे. और प्रैक्टिस एंड प्रैक्टिस, प्लीज डू दैट, डू नॉट कॉम्प्रोमाइज विद द आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस, ठीक है. Okay, so with this we are winding our today session of the previous year paper analysis as 2019, because we already covered and we are covering 2020, 2021 separately each year, 2022 if it comes separately each year as paper wise. Okay, not the subject wise, as the paper wise. Then again we compile up all the 5 years together. Okay, so this is all about the previous year paper 2019 from 2011 to 2019 we have discussed. इससे आपको आइडिया लग चुका होगा कि आपको किस दिशा में जाना है, कैसे जाना है और कैसे आपको अपनी प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजी को प्लान करना है, ठीक है. सो आई होप दिस इज ऑल सफिशिएंट. अगर आपकी कोई ऐसी क्वेरी है जो अभी अनक्लियर्ड है, यू हैव अ डाउट, डू नॉट वेस्ट अ सिंगल मोमेंट, आस्क एंड गेट इट सॉल्व्ड. टाइम को बचाएं, ऑप्शनल को स्ट्रैटेजिकली प्लान करें, और जितना समय यहाँ से बचेगा वो आपके लिए कहीं ना कहीं GS और प्रीलिम्स के लिए बढ़ता चला जाएगा. तो जो ऑप्शनल है वो रैंक देता है, आपने जैसे एनालाइज किया होगा. यस, इट्स अ बिगर थिंग, अ बिगर विन. और क्योंकि इंटरव्यू में क्या है, मोटा मोटा आपका सबका एक आमने सामने मार्क्स आता है, ज़्यादा डिफरेंसेस नहीं देखने को मिलते हैं. तो जो लिखोगे ऑप्शनल में वो बेस्ट होगा. सो ऑप्शनल में यू हैव टू बी वेरी 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 स्ट्रैटेजिक in your planning and in execution, और आंसर राइटिंग को कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं करेंगे. इट्स माई हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट. गेट इट चेक, गेट इट रिव्यूड एंड गेट इट सॉल्व as much as possible. Okay, so this is all about our previous year paper analysis with the IR. So stay connected for more on UPSC civil services preparation related to commerce and accountancy optional. Till then, take care, bye bye, and do ask your queries if it left. Take care, bye.